live streaming later. So comment your ID down below in Minecraft. Join Hypixel later, and when you see a stream go up on Avery's channel, that's when you know that we are live. And yeah, so that's a thing.
Yeah. Is that? I think I see a cat. I think I see a cat traced out in those bricks over there.
I don't see it.
Don't.
No.
You have to have Optifine for it actually to be good. I don't use Optifine. Don't copyright claim me.
Sponsored by Optifine? Not at all.
Yeah, Optifine totally sponsors us. Optifine totally cares. Optifine cares about cats.
Care for the
Okay.
cats. Help save this young man's life right here from cancer.
I'm a bigger YouTuber. I want to get sponsored by a keyboard company.
Mad Cats could sponsor you.
But they make mouse.
What?
They make mouse.
They make
mice.
They make mice. They make keyboards.
They
and
make
audio.
They make mouse. They make mouse, Avery. They don't make keyboard.
Okay.
They make mouse.
I'm playing my bridging safe. I'm not even speed bridging right now.
My cats are like real life people, and they're just staying away from each other, a long way away from each other, because they've got a bite. And whenever I touch him or get near him, he tries scratching.
Okay, I actually got a bed, so that's sweet.
Is anyone gonna defend our bed?
Oh yeah, that would be great. Amsel, get on that.
No, I'm not defending today. I'm AFK. I'm watching my cats fight each other.
Then don't AFK inside the generator.
I'm not defending.
Oh, thank you.
I'm not defending.
Avery, it looks like you're defending.
I'll just put
coming.
They are horrible at bridging. Okay, I'm not defending for the rest of this whole entire game now. Who just blew up the bed defense?
Ready for it.
Amsel, why'd you even bridge out to red?
Because I wanted to kill him.
Now they can easy take our bed.
Yeah, but they're too bad to do that. They suck. Red sucks. They're too bad at PvP to do that.
Oh, and they're bridging to us. And I didn't have enough blocks to cover the top. So...
My finals!
That wasn't a final.
That was a final, though.
Oh, wait, you got a final. I thought I just... So that wasn't you just knock off? Okay, then.
I knocked off, yellow.
I thought you just knocked off a red guy.
No, that was me.
Then how come you got a final as well?
Because I'm amazing.
And how come Amsel... Oh, no. Apparently my dad doesn't...
No! I had so much gold on me!
My dad's flying a drone inside of my room while I'm recording a video.
A drone? What the heck?
You need those excuses. Oh yeah. Excuses.
Okay, I'm recording a video.
Awkward.
Yeah, that is so awkward. In the middle of recording a video, my dad all of a sudden tries to get me to go somewhere.
Hey, Avery, would you like to go to JR's, Dad, I'm recording a video. Okay. Oh my god. Why?
Oh, shoot. Back up.
They're so bad, too. Red's so
How did he just pull the sword out of nowhere? My final.
Red's so bad. Dude, Red's so bad.
How does that even work, though?
He was shifting and he fell off.
Every single one of them jumped off the edge.
I know.
Wait, where's the last red guy?
This way.
This way? Oh yeah, cause he wasn't at their base.
I see him.
I see him. Yeah, I see him too. He's getting chased by a blue guy because that blue guy wants the final. Oh my gosh, these red guys are so bad. They're jumping
Blue
off.
guys want our finals. We must kill the blue guys so we can get all.
I want this kill. I want this kill. Just give me the kill. Give me the kill. I want the kill. Well, I'm good distraction. I was a distraction last.
I died. That's basically what that means. I died.
Guys, it's not a video.
We have
The other person, the other person.
Oh my god, I almost just got all of that.
starting videos at a different time.
I said mine a while
Everybody's
ago.
like, "Hey guys,
Boy,
hey guys, hey guys." Oh yay! I have rainbows.
Death guys.
Yellow is just like jumping off the map, jumping off the map, jumping off. Wait, that was red. I forgot we took down 2 different teams.
I just realized something. I don't
We
have
took
my
down
mind.
2 teams.
I don't have my Minecraft sounds on again.
Do. Technical difficulties, please stand by.
Yep. Relog in real quick.
Who is TNTing our bed?
Somebody's TNTing our bed. Shoot, I see him.
I
I see him. Invis.
Are you
I see him
serious?
invis.
Are you serious?
Where is he?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wait, I see him.
I'm taking blue.
I have shears though, so.
Come get me now. Come at me now.
Come get me. I'm on top of the base.
And you know you're gonna die. Die now. Ooh, you're gonna die.
My kill. I want.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Blue's got freaking glass.
You got force field.
Blue's got glass.
You just got forceful.
Forceful.
You just got
Yeah.
forceful.
I'm when Blue killed me. That's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to do that this whole time.
We haven't totally been recording for like about a day because we haven't been
We
losing.
totally aren't deleting videos.
This is the first video I've made.
Oh. And Amsel's just like standing out in the
Who
middle.
just shot a fireball and missed? Horribly.
Blue did.
Oh.
Okay, I'm running to their base. Their mining fatigue trap just killed me.
Oh yeah, because I fireballed their bridge and then you jumped in the hole I made.
I love mining fatigue traps. I'm just gonna collect.
I think they're putting Avi on their bed.
If they're putting Avi on their bed, that's perfectly fine.
No, what they're doing is.
Oh no, I forgot to bring.
Hey, can someone bring me a piece of TNT?
Sure, I'll bring you TNT. Where are you?
On top of Blue's base.
On top of Blue's base. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Blue Guy.
8. Okay.
Who just?
Don't let them see you then.
Oh! How did you make that jump? How did he make that jump?
Blue's at our base, people. Blue's on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world, hey. I am glitching, hey. It's been a while since that has happened, so I need some more TNT.
I have a piece.
I have a piece now too. Okay. I just bought an iron pickaxe.
We're going to blue.
And
we are.
Yeah, we're going to blue.
Here, I'm just gonna practice my speed bridging skills on a place where I can't hurt myself. Yeah.
Okay, well,
that's how Ches I am.
Blue just saw me running towards them, so they're going back to the base so they can defend. Yeah.
I bet you there's. Should I get Pratt? Because I have 24 diamond.
Everybody will come for fighting.
Okay, if you
Get-
buy
Yeah,
something
get
at
plot.
something-
Get plot. Get plot.
If you buy things from a different base, does it still go to your base?
Yes.
Oh,
You stupid
because I
nerd.
was gonna say, there's one time in somebody actually. We have a horrible bed defense. How are we still alive? We have such a horrible bed defense.
I need to get my. Oh my God! How did I not get their bed there?
Oh, okay. I got rid of their glass. I got rid of they have a bear bed. They have a bear bed.
Yeah, I know. I almost just got their bear bed. I TNT'd them and dropped down and got through the end stone. And then I didn't get their
I did too, but
bed.
then they ended up whacking me off the edge.
That's exact. Okay, we need to go at the exact same time.
Okay, yeah, we do, because we're not even teaming up. Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna
all
get.
about that
you
baby.
want-
About
you
that
want,
baby.
like,
No
full
trouble.
Do you
I'm
want
all
Molten
about that
Forge?
baby.
Molten
About that
Forge?
baby. I got a plan.
Molten Forge or full prod?
Full plot.
Shoot,
Full plot. Full
shoot.
plot. Full plot.
Okay, you guys. Amza was AFKing, so what ended up happening is the guy had every single one of my 24 diamonds.
Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna TNT the bed, and then you kill him, and I drop down and get
Ansel.
the bed. Okay?
Ansel, why'd you get minor fatigue trap and it's a trap?
Okay. So basically,
Wait,
how this
wait,
is gonna work
Can
is
you get more forge upgrades? Can you get more forge upgrades?
Avery, get over to Blue's base right now. Get over to Blue's base right now. Get over to Blue's base right now.
I'm trying. Oh my gosh, I didn't buy enough.
Yes.
Sweet. Okay, I'm coming to help with the finals. I'm helping with the
Finals.
We need those finals.
Final. You
It's
saw
the
nothing.
final countdown. This guy is failing at bow shotting.
It's the final countdown. This is a parody version.
Oh, no.
So don't copyright me, please.
Wait, stop trying to get us copyright. I want copyright.
No,
Yeah, stop getting us copyrighted.
It's Wednesday, my dudes. PvP me, my
Oh
dude.
yes, I got him. Half a heart.
Oh, nice try, my dude. Not working with me though. I can see you.
Okay.
Easy.
Yes.
We finally won.
No,
Well, thank you guys so much.
Thank
Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, we're probably gonna be live streaming later. I'm fixing this. I don't know how. So we're probably gonna be live streaming later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm just gonna be grinding more Bedwars coins. Bye.